How to change Facebook profile picture without posting. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your Facebook profile picture without posting or without sharing it to your newsfeed. Now, if you open up the app and log into your ID, you'll get an interface like this. Now, to change your profile, head over to your profile. You can do so by tapping on the profile icon that you can find below your homepage option. Now tap on it. And here, if you tap on your profile, you'll get the option to view story, to see profile picture, to select profile picture, import from Instagram, or create avatar profile picture. Now, for now, I'll just tap on select profile picture now since we want to upload a picture. And here, select any one picture that you would like to upload. Once you do so, to upload it without posting, at the bottom of your post, you'll find the option share your update to newsfeed. Now, what you want to do is untick it or uncheck mark the option that you can find here, share your update to newsfeed. And what this does, it will not post your profile picture to your timeline or to anyone's timeline. So once you do this, you can tap on save and your profile picture will be uploaded. Now here you can see my picture has been uploaded right here on the screen if you see it. But if I scroll down below, you can see it has not been posted on my timeline. This is my previous profile picture 6 days ago, and your current one has not been posted. Now, if you open the profile picture and tap on the three dots, you can edit your privacy right here. Now, if you edit your privacy and set it to only me, no one will be able to like or comment on your picture too, even by visiting your profile picture. This way you can change Facebook profile picture without posting. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.